another 2014 Ram 2500 rear differential. Customer says there's metal in it, so we're going to open it up, see what we find. This has a torsion differential in it. Alright, after you got both axles pulled out, we'll pull this carrier. Alright, so here I'm just making a mark on the case and on the adjuster so that I can get it back close when I go back together with it. Alright, so right here I'm just loosening the adjuster. I just do one side, so that way I leave one side as a reference. The other side I loosen all the way up and the carrier comes out. Alright, so he took this off of here and immediately bad pits in the race. And that's just the first little thing I've looked at. That one doesn't look very bad. It's worn though, for sure. So this thing's gonna get bearings. Now that I got this all cleaned up, I am going to now tear this torsion differential apart. I gotta tear into this, make sure there's no metal in there, clean it all up real good, put it all back together exactly clean, and then I've got in the kit new bolts for the ring gear that will get put on there, get this thing reassembled. I do have other videos on this on my channel, me taking this apart, cleaning it and all that, a short and a long. Of what it looks like inside of here, so you can check that out. Torsion differential, and then we'll get all the bearings changed off of here, seals, new crush sleeve, and then start the reassembly. All right, new bearings on, new crush sleeve, new races in, new bearings on this, and it's all cleaned up inside and out, put back together. So now we'll slide it all back in and check the pattern and make sure everything's good. Backlash, we have right at 6 thousandths of backlash, which is a little on the tight side. Okay, so now that I have all this in here and adjusted, I got 10 thousandths backlash, which is what we moved it over to change the pattern, because the first pattern wasn't good. And we moved it from 6 to 10, and the pattern looks a lot better now. That's looking pretty decent. I'll throw the axles back in. So there we go, apart, back together. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.